Hello, dear friends and valuable viewers. How are you all? I hope all are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Engineer Polash Mojumdar, Instructor, Chatpuri Janata High School and College, Kumila Srodha South, Kumila, Bangladesh in front of you. Now I am sharing some documents and issues with you. Please all are watching and comments us for next time exclusive something to do for our students. I hope all are encourage us. Please come on with us and watching our presentation.
Hello.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste.
Ma'am, how are
Ma'am,
you?
how are you?
Namaste and good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you,
How
ma'am?
are you, ma'am?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
And
And
also fine,
also
ma'am.
fine, ma'am. Now start, sir. Now start, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Very good afternoon, all respected dear sir and madam. Namaste, assalamu alaikum. At the beginning of my welcome, take my heartiest felicitation in the beautiful afternoon. I hope all are very well at this moment. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear presents, today our project presented, respected and honorable in Indian research joined Mr. Girish Jadhav Sarji and Srimati Barsas Arroyo and Mr. Ravindra Kishan Lakande and Bangladesh respected Madam Mrs. Roxana Akhtar and me. At present, I would like to very welcome all the valuable and respectable participants to this important session today. Welcome to our fourth session. This is SDG 2.
Thank you.
Subject topic Zero Hunger. It was selected topic mainly two parts. First of all, topic is tropical food in our region, and another topic about zero hunger. So, welcome to Mrs. Roxana Akhtar. Ma'am, please share your presentation.
Okay, sir.
Lokande sir, how are you?
Hello,
Pala sir.
Thank you, sir.
share দিব না? Sir.
Yes, ma'am. Share your screen.
Hello, sir. Can you see my skin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, madam.
At first, welcome to our fourth session presentation by Roxana Akhtar. Have a good day.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Indian and Bangladesh daily collaboration. Our national food, rice and fish. Hilsa fish. This is Hilsa fish. Curry is the national dish of Bangladesh. Made from the Hilsa fish and is one of the most popular.
Roxana madam.
Khichuri.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
When we will be in Bangladesh, we prepare with this dish, huh?
Yes.
It's very nice.
Khichuri.
Yes, yes, yes.
Roxana madam,
In
khichuri vegetable, vegetarian or non-vegetarian food?
Yes,
Lakande
sir.
sir, it's
Is it-
two types. It's two types. It's chicken khichdi, a mutton khichdi, and another vegetable khichdi. That means osmos.
Yes, sir.
Hoshposh. Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, thank you.
In India, we have also the food hoshposh,
Osmos, yes, sir.
but it is here only. It is only vegetarian. In India, yes, yes, it is only vegetarian. Sir.
Yes, sir. I earned to Chennai 2 months. Then I take it very lovely. Thank you, sir.
Oh. Okay, okay.
Okay. Carry on, ma'am.
Roxana ma'am, please continue.
Ma'am, next.
Khichuri is a dish of South Asian. It's made of rice and items, but other various include very small letter.
No problem. Next.
This is bhotta.
What is it made up of, ma'am? What is it made up of? Bharta?
Bhotta.
It is Bengal Bharta. Is it Bengal Bharta?
Bengal bhatta is vegetable, fish, meat, varieties. Type.
Oh, oh. It is also a variety of type.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay, okay.
Fruit and vegetable in Bangladesh.
Okay.
A banana, jackfruit,
Mm-hmm.
papaya,
Mm-hmm.
or vegetables, tomato, lady's finger, brinjal, chili, and others.
Very nice, very nice.
This is beef and
Yes.
what else?
Beef and chicken.
Milk, tea, and also Pepsi, 7-Up. Shemai. This is Bangladesh favorite items. Shemai, Bengali.
Is it prepared during Ramzan, madam?
Yes, yes, sir. It is prepared to Ramadan mainly. All time in Bangladesh, sir.
আর নারমোয়া
Marumua.
নাড়ু নাড়ু
Coconut. Made by coconut.
Made by
Coconut.
wow,
Madam,
very nice.
Roxana madam,
জি yes
you seem to be a very good cook, huh?
you are
Various types of
not a
food.
good maker.
We would like to visit home, madam.
Fuska.
Nice
This
dish.
is
Wow.
fuska.
Is it
And
Pani
What
puri, madam?
is oh,
chotpoti. This is chotpoti.
chatpati? What is it made up of, ma'am? Puska. Roxana, ma'am.
Fuska made by flour
Flour.
and
Okay.
into vegetable and
Okay.
sometimes botta.
Okay.
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 This is sweet.
Wait. Okay.
Scones.
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jam. Yes, gulab jam.
Gulab jam. Yes. And that is rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
Yes. We have also these kinds of sweets.
Sweets. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Most popular pithai is Bangladesh.
Calcutta
It's
and Bangladesh is quite similar.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Another pitha.
Karanji.
Kuli pitha.
Cake.
It means karanji in India.
It's rice cake.
I'm not
It is
saying
made up of rice, no?
Rice. Yes, sir.
These are
Rice cake.
Yes.
Dices, designed dice. Variety of dice.
Yes.
most popular pithai is my region.
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Is it cake?
Yes. It is cake. Birthday cake.
Pitha cake.
Homemade.
Homemade cake. Yes. That's nice.
Kuli pitha. This is
Puli pitha.
दूध अटक में खा सकते हैं.
thanks everyone. Welcome to discuss our topics. Zero hunger. The Zero Hungers monograph. Goal to zero hunger, end hunger, achieve food security and improved nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. This is one picture, picture of condition. This is Bangladesh real picture. Many people are sleep in the huts. Or many people
Pipe holes.
Yes, sir.
I saw their pipe holes.
Islam.
Pipe holes, na ma'am, there are.
Yeah. Holes, also holes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
SDG 2 has 8 targets and 15 indicators. The 5 outcomes target nutrition, agriculture, productive.
ম্যাম নেক্সটলি অন্য স্যার এটা প্রেজেন্ট করুক আপনি
These points are also, yes, these points are also related in India also.
hi yes sir
Yes, yes.
all are same sir all are same just
Yes.
finish ma'am another
Okay,
email.
the ratio will be the different.
Yes sir yes sir
The ratio will be the different from in India and in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh India is a big country sir
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes.
many people
The three means of achieving targets.
ma'am they
1 in 9 people are nourished. 45% of death in children under 5, 3.1 million children per year. Mm. 2030 end hunger and ensure access by all people. What is the target of goal 20 SDG? Goal 2 aims to end hunger and all forms of malnutrition by 2030.
Malnutrition.
It also commits to universal access to safe, nutritious, and sufficient food at all times of the year. Target 1, target 2, target 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Zero hunger challenges. All food systems are sustainable from production to consumption and into rural poverty, developed male skills structure, incomes, and productivity. Adapt all food systems to eliminate loss or waste of food. Assess etiquette, food and health uh, types for all people all years round, and into malnutrition in all its forms.
Hello. Walaikum assalam.
How many people die of hunger this day? 25 people, including more than 10,000 children, die from hunger and related cause. Some 54 million people worldwide are estimated to be undernourished and high food prices. Many drive another 100 million into poverty and hunger. Now can my skin stop?
Okay.
Okay, madam. Thank you very much
Okay, ma'am.
for your nice presentation. Jadis sir, next.
Okay. Are you ready? Or
Bashan,
can I share my screen? Am
Aryo ma'am is ready?
I audible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We see sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Carry on, sir.
Can I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot, all of you, for giving such an opportunity.
Welcome, sir.
My Indo-Bangla telecollaboration program we are going to run here. Welcome all of you in this session number 4. We are discussing here the first one is in region and about zero hunger. Here we have the typical food in your region. Mostly use these kinds of food, but it is made up of rice, water, then food even in India. Here is also the dish made in. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Hello.
Carry on, sir.
Okay. Okay. In our daily diet, as we all know that there are 3 seasons in India, and according to the season, the different foods are used in different seasons. The spicy foods are used in India, and when in the different festivals, or it is most important that for the different festival, the different foods, not some food items are same, but some food items are used in the different season and in different festivals. For example, in the rainy season, in a rainy season, we use the fried items mostly, and in the winter season, we the different food items, and the summer season, we eat the different food items. Here we can different kinds of curries made here, and we use bhakri, chapati, etc. Here are also the different kinds of food items. This is Bengan bharta and puri. I don't know.
না না, ওই এখন তো জ্বরের কারণে সব দিকে সমস্যা। ক্যারি অন স্যার।
This is the Khandeshi.
Audible sir.
Am I audible, sir?
Audible sir. Yes sir.
Okay. Yes, this is Khandesh special Bengal bharta. And most of the people who visit in Khandesh or who visit in Gurgaon, this is Puran Poli. Puran Poli is also the special dish in
Bangladesh is roti. Bangladesh.
yes.
Roti. Tandoori.
Roti.
Tandoori.
Yes. So different. Tandoori is different item.
Okay.
This is Puran Poli. Yes. Here, it is our energy and it is to end hunger. We have to achieve food security and to promote sustainable agriculture.
Palas sir.
Yes sir.
I just talked with him. He is trying to connect with us.
Okay. No problem.
Whose number is next now? After Jadhav sir?
Nazmon Nahashioli. Bangladesh, ma'am.
Okay.
I just give him Lagande sir.
Pardon?
Now
Palas
share.
sir?
Nazmon Nahan, ma'am. Now share. Or join
But Jadhav sir is
now. Jadhav sir is join now.
Okay. Yes, sir. Within some few seconds, he is
Okay,
trying
okay,
to connect
okay,
with
okay,
us.
okay, 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 sir. And after next, Basha ma'am or you?
Madam will continue.
Who can first?
Madam,
Okay,
Shuli madam will continue.
okay, okay.
After Shuli madam, then if you give me opportunity, I will.
Okay, okay, sir.
Uh, हाँ जादव सर. बर बर. ओके. हो हो हो. सर. Palas sir. Hello,
Yes,
respected
sir.
Palas sir.
Yes, sir.
It was Jadhav sir's phone. He
What's the
he
case?
is facing some problems.
Okay, sir. Now,
Jadhav sir is facing some problems. Uh, I think Shuli madam should continue now.
okay, 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 sir. Thank you very much, Dadu sir. Dadu sir, what problem? So now start, Mrs. Nazmun Nahashuli ma'am. Please, ma'am, share your presentation, please.
Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Namaste
Good
ma'am.
day to you all. This is
Good day to
Nazmun,
you also.
assistant teacher, Matlab JB Government Pilot High School, Matlab South, Chatpur. At first, I would like to thanks to our honorable sir ma'am for giving me an opportunity to say something about today's topic. Session 4, Zero Hunger. Typical food in our region and about zero hunger. Hey. Breakfast. In the morning, we take bread, curry, egg, some fruits, and tea. Daily dishes. Rice is our staple food. Bangladesh is the fourth position in growing rice in the world. Our daily dish is plain rice, but sometimes we eat pulao, khichuri, and biryani. Our daily dish is rice, fish, vegetables, eggs, and meat etc. Here some beef, chicken, and mutton. Bangladesh is a land of rivers which have made our land in the richest one of the world. Our rivers is full of many kinds of fishes like as butterfish, hilsa, climbing fish, carp fish, flat fish, bar fish, etc. Sweets. Different types of sweets. Different types of sweets. Junk food. Junk food is a food that is quick and easy to prepare. It has a pungent taste. It looks very appealing and tastes sweet, but it is not good for the body. Our young generation is very much affected to junk food like as burger, grill, chop, pizza, pastry cake, ice cream, chocolate, etc. Light food. In the afternoon, we take some light food like as jhalmuri, Moglai, biscuits and tea, etc. Fruits. Bangladesh abounds with a large variety of tropical and subtropical fruits, major of such as mango, banana, watermelon, jackfruits, pineapple, papaya, lychee, etc. We like some own country's fruits, such like as banana, mango, pineapple, lychee, blackberry, watermelons, guava, grapefruits, date, palm, etc. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Nice presentation. Your country food. Jadav sir, you are
Yes, sir.
continue or Barsha ma'am?
Yes. I will continue, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. As I was reading the challenges, the second challenge was an end to rural poverty. It is double small scale producer incomes and productivity. Adapt all food systems to eliminate loss or waste of food. As we all know that there are so many programs held everywhere, such as marriage ceremony. In the marriage ceremony, it is seen that, or it is observed that a lot of food is waste in that like ceremonies. Now it is become the awareness of all the people that to waste the food, and so there are so many food banks are available now in everywhere, and the remaining food is sent to that food banks, and those food banks distribute those food items to the needy people and access adequate food and healthy diets for all people all year round. It is also the challenge and the last challenge, an end to malnutrition in all its forms. Mainly, the malnutrition is the problem in the rural area. There are near about 30 organizations working to end the hunger. World Food Program, CARE, the Hunger Project, Bread for the World, Clean Cooking Alliances, Action Against Hunger, Akshaya Patra, Feeding America. Such What the first charity, 5 charities works of world hunger. First, for include freedom from hunger, big and Heifer International. Such types of charities partner put their management. Akshay Sorry, because of some disturbance, I was out of the meeting now. I'll
No problem, sir. It's a net problem.
continue.
I
Yes,
know,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. The following are the partners recovery organizations. Triple A had been working on the rights of homeless people since year 2000. All India Roti Bank Trust, Annakshatra, Delhi Langar Seva Society, Double Roti, Feeding India, Feed the Need Foundation, and Feed the Poor Champion. These all are the different programs run in India to end the hunger. 1.3 billion of population are suffering from the hunger. 21% of the people live on less than 1.90 a day dollar. One fourth of the world's undernourished people live in India. This is the picture of midday meal to end the hunger or to meet the challenges in India. The government has started the midday meal yojana in every school. To attract the child in the school, we run the program midday meal yojana. Such different kinds of uh, programs are run in every corner of the world. So these all are the points which I uh, supposed to be important. Thanks all of you for being with me.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
sir. Thank you very much, sir. Nice presentation. We are more
Thanks,
learned to your
thanks a lot, sir.
presentation. Thank you very much, sir. Next, Basha ma'am is ready. Basha ma'am is here. Glassy. A51. Are you awesome? Brother sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Varsha ma'am.
Are you awesome ma'am? Awesome ma'am is here?
Varsha ma'am. Yes, yes.
Varsha.
Hello. Aira ma'am. Are you listening? Aira ma'am.
Are you ma'am?
Yes, yes. Sir, to make a call.
So, okay, next.
Hello?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Carry on.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am, continue your presentation, please.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hello.
Hello, namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, all my respected colleagues. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. We
Hello.
all
How
are
are you?
fine, ma'am.
Okay, I am also fine. Today's topic is today's session is number 4, and today's topics are typical food in your region, and second topic is about zero hunger. So, firstly, sorry, there is the. Can you hear me?
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Carry on,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Firstly, I am going to speak on a first topic, typical food in your region. India is a varied country. There are different varieties in the food. I live in Jalgaon. Jalgaon means Khandesh. So here there are different fruits, different foods, but in them there are two favorite dishes. There are two important dishes are very famous of Khandesh. First is Puran Poli and second is Wangache Bharit. So I explain.
कुठे आहे ते आपलं ते पीपीटी? Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Uh, is the screen visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Regarding the favorite food, first of all, I would like to thank all the dignitaries for giving me the opportunity to share with my PPTs and some 2 or 3 videos. Here in this group, our colleague, respected Roxana madam, respected Sholi madam, respected Jadhav sir, and Miss respected Aira madam, uh, have tried their best to furnish their language and to furnish their knowledge within us. Thank you very much. Now it is my turn. Today's topic, the first topic is related with food. Popular foods, national food, your local food items, and your favorite food. First of all, I would like to discuss with my favorite food. My favorite food is Imarti. This is the picture of Imarti. It is a sweet item. Eat sweet and be sweet with your tongue as well as with your behavior.
Oh, sir.
And
Our country,
thankfully,
Jilapi.
yeah, and thankfully, we all
बहुत
persons
watering
here,
item. बहुत watering.
yeah, uh, the ingredients
Yes.
required for Imarti is ghee, saffron, corn flour, cardamom, edible food color, water, and uh, gram flour,
Yeah.
udit gram flour.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Then our native most famous food item is bharit. It is made with the brinjals. Brinjals are baked, and then it's a peel. Its a covering is peeled off, and then the inner part of brinjal is crushed and added some flavors chili powder,
Ingredients.
and some spices. It is very tasty food. Uh, Invite all my Bangladeshi friends. Please come to our home. We will hospitalize with all these food items, no doubt. Then in Maharashtra, the state level food item is misal pav. It is also very tasty and yummy food. We call it a state food. Then here is a video. As we all know that India is a very big country. More than 30 states are there in India. Every state has its signature dish. Here, through this video. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Carry on, sir. Yes.
Can you listen? Can you listen the sound?
No, sir. You can start, sir.
The sound
Start
of
first.
video.
At first, start, sir, and then
Start it.
Jadhav, sir.
no, sir. There is no sound.
Yes. No sound, sir.
No sound.
No, sir.
No
No
sound.
sound. What is the problem? I think. आवाज नहीं थे अंदर माने थे
What did, sir?
Jadhav, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, Bala.
Is there sound?
The video is not audible, sir. No, sir. No. The video is not audible.
But on my mobile there is sound, sir, for the video.
Yes. The same happened in the last meeting, sir.
Ah.
On my mobile, every video was audible, but it was not audible to the other participants.
Other member. Yes.
It will go. No problem.
আচ্ছা আমার মেসেঞ্জারে সর্বশেষ যে লেখা ওইখানে থাকতেছে
Most of the items are also used in Bangladesh, ma'am.
Yeah.
The same items are used here also in India.
Jadhav from Meghalaya. Appam, Kerala. Bhutteka की मध्य प्रदेश. दाल बाटी चूरमा राजस्थान.
It is also very famous
बाजरे की
item.
खिचड़ी from हरियाणा.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thukpa from Arunachal Pradesh.
Haryana.
Momos from Sikkim. Bishi Bele Baat, Karnataka.
Nice.
Then pork with bamboo shoots, Nagaland. Misa Maspura, Mizoram. Next is Napoda of Odisha. 27th number food item is Chila from Chhattisgarh. The second last is Rugda of Jharkhand. And the last famous topic is of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice
Thank you,
presentation.
Pala sir.
We are more learn your presentation.
Pala sir.
Sir.
Pala sir.
Yes, sir.
One problem we are facing here that whenever we share our YouTube video, it hasn't sound. Why?
I look my Zoom setting next time. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Please
Thank
do
you.
this.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice presentation. You can finish, sir.
Thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity. Yes, sir. Yes, I have
Okay.
finished.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now, Arya ma'am is present here. Not in here.
कोणाचं बाकी बघू आता.
Rao madam has left.
Is coming.
Yes, yes. Airo ma'am is not there.
No, she has just
She's
joined,
coming,
sir.
sir. Just join, sir.
Airo ma'am,
She is continue.
will you please continue?
Sir, I am unable to see my PPT, but I speak without PPT.
Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Please continue, ma'am.
Puranpoli and Wangachi Bharit are two very important and very delicious dishes of Khandesh. Puranpoli is a sweet flat bread stuffed with a sweet lentil filling made from husk spilled chana dal and jaggery. Puranpoli is a popular Maharashtrian recipe one cup blanched chana dal. Second, 1 cup powdered jaggery. Third, 2 tablespoon ghee. Fourth, 1 teaspoon powdered green cardamom. Fifth, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder. Seventh, salt as required. And eighth, half cup water. Step first, prepare the filling for puran poli. Step second, knead the dough. Step third, make puran polis. Step four, cook the puran poli. How to make puran poli? First, rinse the chana dal first very well in minutes to 1 hour and then drain the water. Second, in a pressure cooker, cook the chana dal for 6 to 7 whistles. The dal needs should not be musky or pasty but cook well. Once the pressure settles down on its own, strain the cooked dal. Keep the dal in the strainer for some minutes so that all the stock is drained. The cooked lentils have to be drained very well. Keep the stock aside. This stock can be used for making katachi amti, means thin dal. Third, heat ghee in a pan and add the nutmeg powder, cardamom powder, and fennel powder. fry for a few seconds on low heat. Fourth, add the cooked chana dal and powdered or grated jaggery. Stir and let this puran mixture cook on the low flame till the batter becomes dry. Keep on stirring at intervals. Fifth, meanwhile, take whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour and salt in a bowl. Mix well. Sixth, add a little bit of water and ghee or oil and mix. Seventh, begin to knead the dough, adding water as required. The dough should be smooth and soft. Cover and keep aside the dough for 15 to 20 minutes. 8. The puran mixture has cooked now. 9. Now mash the puran mixture very well. 10. Take a medium or large size ball from the dough. Roll it 2 to 3 inches in circumference. Place a portion of a puran mixture in the center of rolled dough. 11. Bring the edges together towards the center as shown in the below. 12. Join all the edges and pinch them. 13. Sprinkle some flour and start rolling the dough. 14. Make a medium or large circle, means poli, as depending upon the size of the dough and puran filling you took. 15. On a heated tawa, spread some ghee. 16. Place the roll. 17. When one side is brown, turn over and cook the other side. 18. Once the second side gets brown, then turn over and apply ghee. In this way, we make the puran poli and it become very delicious. Second food, खानदेशी वांग्याचे भरीत. Khandesh is a western north region of Maharashtra in India. It is a very popular dish in Khandesh region. It is spicy, creamy and super delicious. It can be enjoyed with bhakri, roti or puri. Wangyacche bharit is a popular Maharashtrian veg that prepared, mash and cook with few basic ingredients like onions, tomato, green chilies, ginger and garlic. This spicy and flavorful preparation is best enjoyed with some jawar or badri bhakri or some plain pulkas. There are some ingredients: 1 kg big green brinjals, spring onions, cloves, garlic, green chilies, groundnut, roasted and peel, half chopped fresh coriander. It should be washed. Teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon jeera, cumin, salt to taste. And in this way we make wangyacche bharit and it become very delicious. Second point of this session, zero hunger. Can you continue, sir? Hola, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Zero hunger.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Continue, please.
Yes. There are 4 ways to help achieve zero hunger. First, don't waste food. If you have leftovers, freeze them for later or use them. Second, produce more with less. Third, adopt a more healthy and sustainable diet. Fourth, the main cause of hunger around the world is poverty. Poverty is the principal cause of global hunger. The reasons of the hunger. Poor infrastructure, unstable markets, and strict climate change. Seventh, war and conflict. And eighth, nutritional quality. There are some key facts about global hunger today. After steadily declining for a decade, world hunger is on the rise, affecting 8.9% of people globally from 2018 to 2019. The number of unnourished people grew by 10 million, and there are nearly 60 million more unnourished people now than in 2014. There are some steps to zero hunger. First, put the furthest stuff behind first. Second, pave the road from to market. Sorry, sir, there is disturbance. Fourth, sustainable variety of crops. Fifth, make nutrition a priority starting with a child first 1000 days. So we will see what is meaning of zero hunger. The definition of zero hunger is every day too many men and women across the globe struggle to feed their children a nutritious meal, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture, and is the priority of the World Food Program. In ending, is ending world hunger possible? Yes. One Yes. Is ending world hunger possible? Yes. 193 countries have signed an agreement committing to end all forms of malnutrition by 2030.
30.
End hunger, achieve food security,
Right,
and
right.
improve
Unique ID,
nutrition
unique ID
and
যে
promote
system এটা আপাতত
sustainable
স্টুডেন্টগুলো
agriculture.
স্কুল আসতেছে
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for
Thanks
your
a
nice
lot.
presentation.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Jadhav sir?
Yes, yes, Palash sir.
Now I'm presenting my presentation.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Giving me opportunity. Very good afternoon, all respected dear sir and madam.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Now I am presenting my presentation. Today's session 4, SDG Nong 2, Zero Hunger. International experience, India and Bangladesh collaborative project. Honorable project member, there are 7 members. Today's 1 member is absent. This is Palash Muzumdar. Session 4, Zero Hunger, and 2 parts, tropical food in our region and about zero hunger. Tropical food. Number 1, breakfast, daily dishes, junk food, fruits, and traditional food. At first, breakfast. Our breakfast in the morning, we take some bread, curry and egg. Same, there are different food. Khichdi, the hosmos, same as hosmos, and 3 parts of hosmos. There are meat, a dal, or pulse and rice. It's our country says tehri. Daily dishes. This is Hilisha fish, is our famous and world famous fish, Hilisha fish. Thus put her on our lunch list: rice, fish, vegetable, egg, and meat. Jab sir, audible me?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And other dishes, hosmos is chicken hosmos, rice, various vegetables, pulse, fish, and potato fry, etc. Daily dishes and our special dishes. There are. This is our famous, our city sweets. It's in world famous sweets. Name is Rasmalai. This is
Malai.
Rasmalai. It's sweets, one kind of sweets, but the sweets is sell 1 hour 10 and 150 kilo is sell per hour
Wow.
daily.
Wow.
And cereal
Very
is
nice.
cereally
Mhm.
is taken serially, but not cereal, not found. It's
Okay.
stock is daily finished.
Daily finished stock, huh?
Finished
sir?
stock. Yes, sir. And morning
sir.
time finished, then evening time finished. 2 time finished, sir.
Oh,
There is no
Okay,
showroom,
okay.
or
Hello.
only one showroom. Yes, sir. Lokande, sir.
Palash sir.
Yes, sir.
What is its rate, sir?
It's our country's 270 taka rupee. That means 200 rupees.
200
Convert. Yes, per kilo.
Okay. Per kilo, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Per kg. Mhm.
This is junk food.
Okay.
Junk food is very danger food,
Mhm.
but our young generation is affected for this food. It's very oily food, and this
Very oily.
oily. Yes, sir. And 2 dishes
Becoming now
famous.
the
2 dishes famous
concern
in
for the
Bangladesh.
whole world.
Whole world. This is famous for Bangladesh
Yes,
and
yes.
India. I know that is Calcutta is very famous. Is Pusta. Pusta is very famous in
Pusta.
Calcutta.
Stuff.
Is East
In
India.
Calcutta also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
It's perfect rice, mixed dal and sanasur is very breakfast in our in the evening after breakfast. Same as
Okay.
this nut is very famous in our country. Peanut. Our fruits, various fruits in our country. It's our country foods. Watermelon. Watermelon is very famous. Now is season is watermelon.
Yes, it's
And
the season
pineapple.
of watermelon now.
Yes, sir. And pineapple is also now is season.
Mhm.
Easter fruit or Cambola. Cambola is Kamranga, our country says. Is very famous in our countries, and papaya also. Mango is now season is mango. Variety type of mango is
Mango
in our country.
season.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mango season in our country. Guava is also.
Today I had it. Just
Oh, wow, very nice, sir.
yes.
Mango date is our country date, not in Arabic. In our country date.
It's your country, right? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And pineapple also our country, and mango. Lychee. Today's our season in lychee. Lychee is now available in our country, and jackfruit. Jackfruit is also.
Okay.
And rainy season food is blackberry. Blackberry is our country's very famous for rainy season. That means Ashar Sabon. Do you know Ashar Sabon?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Palm fruit is another fruit, and coconut is also our country's famous food. Special dish is cake, Bangladeshi cake, fully is various our country's dishes, different type of cake. It's finished my about a food presentation, about zero hunger presentation. It's Kiran, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Please continue.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Continue.
Objective of zero hunger: the SDGs aims to end up forms of hunger and malnutrition by 2030, making sure all people, especially children, have access to sufficient and nutrition food all year round. That involves promoting sustainable agriculture practice. It's my topics, objectives, topics.
Yes.
Target. Goal 2. Today's our goal 2 is zero hunger. First, to end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture, and is the priority of the World Food Program. Indicators. 2.5.1, number of plant and animal genetic resources for food and agriculture secured in either medium or long-term conservation facilities. Indicators 2, proportion of local breeds classified as being to risks, not at risk, or at the unknown level of risks of ex- execution, extinction. Current status of hunger data. In the 2020 Global Hunger Index, Bangladesh rank of 75 out of 107 countries with sufficient data to calculate 2020 GHI scores. With the scores of 20, 25.4, Bangladesh has a level of hunger that is serious. Figure of hunger of Global Hunger Index of 2017 rank. China is 29, Nepal 72, Myanmar 77, Sri Lanka 84, Bangladesh 88, India 100, and Pakistan 106. Index of 2017 rank. List of top facts about hunger in Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a highest rate of undereating children in South Asia. First, second, out of 50 million people who lack food security in Bangladesh, less than half have access to food safety net program. Number three, food security of malnutrition among the vulnerable population are high. Number four, food insecurity in Bangladesh stems of extreme poverty due to unemployment and underemployment and unemployment. Number five, approximately 24% of women are underweight and 30% are short in stature, significantly increasing the likelihood that their children will be stunted. Number six, about 25% is children that meets dietary variety standards. Number seven, sacrifices in food consumption for the sake of feeding children, particularly in time of security, is highly gender basis. Number eight, in 26% of children below 5 years of standard to 12% are waste. Number nine, micronutrient deficient lead to hidden hunger. Number 10, environmental distances in increased food insecurity since in year 2000. Step taken by the government to reduce hunger. Government program and policies play an important role too. Federal domestic nutrition programs such as SNF, SNAP, formerly known as Food Stamps, Women, Infants and Children Program, OIS, and the School Lunch Program, that means midday meal, are just a few examples. This program kept millions of Americans from going hungry. 9 solution of global hunger to get us to 2030. Climate smart agriculture, responding to post migration, fostering gender equality, reducing food waste, disturb rice production, sufficient high and sensation, controlling inefficiency and crop inefficiencies in hygienic crops with bioprotection, improving food storage systems. Our 30 organization working in the end of hunger, that's such as World Food Program, CARE is also is 30 organization working our countries is mainly. Thank you so much for your sincere cooperation. Thank you all, sir.
Very nice presentation, sir.
Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice presentation, sir.
नको वाजवू.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, today's Sir Del sir,
Yeah.
Jadhav sir, please,
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
please your
yes.
closing speech, sir.
Okay. Okay. All of the participants here present themselves very nicely. They present their PPTs very efficiently, and so I thank all of the participants here. And Mr. Palash sir also gave chance everyone to present themselves. I also very much thankful to Mr. Palash sir, our respected ma'am. I have ma'am also present herself here very nicely. I also give her the vote of thanks, and every participant present themselves. Specially thanks for all of them. And with the permission of Mr. Palash sir,
Yes, sir.
we will
Tomorrow,
end
sir?
this meeting here.
Tomorrow,
Should
sir?
we end the meeting here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, today's end and tomorrow is
Yes.
again, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Same time.
Jadhav sir,
Uh,
Jadhav sir.
Roxana ma'am
Hello?
is tomorrow's training. How many days, ma'am?
7 days.
7 days is training in government training.
27 April, 3 May.
It's continue 3 May her training, sir.
From 27 to 3rd of June.
7 days. June, sir. Yes, sir.
7
June.
days.
7 days.
June.
Yes, yes. Yes.
We are continue, sir.
Then
And
yes.
his
We
next time
should continue.
yes, sir. And he
If our meetings will remaining, then she will join. If
Yes,
our
sir.
meetings will remain, then she will join for the remaining meetings.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your nice presentation and ending closing session. Closing speech is
Yes.
very nice.
Okay.
All of very thanks. That's all for the moment, for the time being. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Today's end our program.
Yes. Thanks.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Namaste.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Namaste. Walaikum salam. Walaikum
Namaste.
salam.
Bye.
Namaste. Bye everyone.
Namaste. Bye, everybody. Dear friends and viewers, thank you all for today, for the time being. Thank you all. Thank you very much.